Greatness Capital presents financial education on stock market investment. Hello and welcome to our financial education video on stock market investment. Today, we're going to be discussing one of the most popular forms of investment, the stock market. The stock market is a dynamic and ever-changing entity, and it's essential for individuals to be informed about it in order to make informed investment decisions. That's why it's crucial to educate yourself about the stock market and understand the basics of stock market investment. In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about the stock market and stock market investment. From understanding the stock market and the types of stocks, to researching and analyzing potential investments, and avoiding common mistakes and pitfalls. Importance of financial education. Financial education is a critical aspect of personal finance management. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding the stock market and investing can greatly impact your financial future. With the right education and resources, individuals can make informed investment decisions that align with their financial goals and risk tolerance. Stock market and stock market investment. The stock market is a marketplace where publicly traded company stocks are bought and sold. Stock market investment involves purchasing stocks of companies with the aim of generating long-term growth or income through dividends. The stock market can offer attractive returns, but it also comes with risks. It's important to understand these risks and develop a strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. In this video, we'll delve deeper into the stock market investment, and the steps you can take to become a successful investor. So, grab a pen and paper and get ready to learn about the exciting world of the stock market and stock market investment. Understanding the stock market. The stock market can be a confusing place for those who are new to investing. It's essential to have a basic understanding of what the stock market is, the different types of stocks available, and how it functions. The stock market is a marketplace where publicly traded company stocks are bought and sold. It's essentially a platform where investors can buy and sell ownership in companies. When you purchase a stock, you become a shareholder in the company, and as the company grows, so does the value of your stock. Types of stocks and stock exchanges. There are two main types of stocks: common stock and preferred stock. Common stock represents ownership in a company and typically comes with voting rights and the potential for dividend payments. Preferred stock, on the other hand, represents a higher claim on a company's assets and earnings, but typically doesn't come with voting rights. Stock exchanges are the platforms where stocks are bought and sold. The two largest stock exchanges in the world are the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the NASDAQ. Companies listed on these exchanges are subject to regulations and must meet certain requirements in order to be listed. Functioning of the stock market. The stock market functions as a marketplace for buying and selling stocks. When a company wants to raise capital, it can issue new shares of stock and sell them to investors. This process is known as an initial public offering, IPO. Once the stock is publicly traded, investors can buy and sell the stock on the stock exchange. The price of a stock is determined by supply and demand. When more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up. Conversely, when more people want to sell a stock than buy it, the price goes down. The stock market is open for trading during regular business hours, and prices can fluctuate throughout the day based on market conditions and company news. Understanding the stock market is a crucial first step in becoming a successful investor. By knowing the definition of the stock market, the types of stocks and stock exchanges, and how the stock market functions, individuals can make informed investment decisions that align with their financial goals and risk tolerance. Stock market investment can be a great way to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. However, like any form of investment, it's important to understand the advantages and risks involved in order to make informed decisions. Advantages and risks of stock market investment. Advantages of stock market investment include the potential for long-term growth, the ability to earn income through dividends, and the opportunity to participate in the growth of successful companies. However, it's important to remember that the stock market is subject to market risk, which means that stock prices can go up or down based on market conditions and company news. Additionally, the stock market is subject to political, economic, and market-specific risks that can impact stock prices. How to start investing in the stock market. Starting to invest in the stock market can seem daunting, but with a little research and preparation, anyone can become a successful investor. The first step is to educate yourself on the stock market and the basics of stock market investment. This includes understanding the different types of stocks, stock exchanges, and how the stock market functions. Next, you will want to determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. This will help you determine the types of stocks and investment strategies that are best for you. Once you have a basic understanding of the stock market and your investment goals, you can start building your investment portfolio. This may involve working with a financial advisor or opening a brokerage account to begin buying and selling stocks. Diversification and portfolio management. Diversification is a critical aspect of stock market investment. This involves spreading your investments across different types of stocks, industries, and geographic locations to minimize risk. Additionally, it's important to regularly review and manage your investment portfolio. This may involve reallocating your investments based on market conditions and your changing investment goals. Stock market investment can offer a great opportunity for long-term growth and financial freedom, but it's important to understand the advantages and risks involved. By educating yourself, determining your investment goals and risk tolerance, and regularly managing your portfolio, individuals can make informed investment decisions that align with their financial goals and risk tolerance. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends so we can keep making them, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this. Research and analysis. Research and analysis are critical components of successful stock market investment. By taking the time to understand the companies and industries in which you're investing, you can make informed decisions and minimize your investment risk. Research and analysis are essential for understanding the potential risks and rewards of any stock market investment. By researching the companies and industries in which you're investing, you can gain a better understanding of the business, its financials, and its future prospects. Additionally, research and analysis can help you stay up to date on market news and trends, which can impact your investment decisions. Methods of research and analysis. There are several methods of research and analysis that you can use to evaluate your stock market investments. Some of these include financial statement analysis, industry and market analysis, competitor analysis, news and media analysis, technical analysis. Common tools and resources for research and analysis. There are a variety of tools and resources available to assist with stock market research and analysis. Some of these include financial news and information websites, financial databases and tools such as Yahoo Finance and Google Finance, brokerage research reports, financial analyst research reports and ratings, company annual reports and press releases. Research and analysis are critical components of successful stock market investment. By taking the time to understand the companies and industries in which you're investing, you can make informed decisions and minimize your investment risk. With a variety of tools and resources available, it's easier than ever to stay informed and make informed investment decisions. While stock market investment can be a great way to grow your wealth, it's important to be aware of common mistakes and pitfalls that can impact your investment success. Common mistakes made by investors. Some common mistakes made by stock market investors include lack of research and analysis, chasing after short-term gains, failing to diversify their portfolio, not understanding market risk, ignoring taxes and other investment costs. Pitfalls to avoid in stock market investment. Some pitfalls to avoid in stock market investment include making emotional decisions, focusing too heavily on past performance, over-investing in a single stock or industry, ignoring market trends and news, failing to have a long-term investment plan. Importance of seeking professional help. While it's possible to be a successful stock market investor on your own, seeking professional help can be a great way to minimize your investment risk and achieve your financial goals. This may involve working with a financial advisor, seeking advice from a stock market professional, or investing in a managed investment fund. It's important to be aware of common mistakes and pitfalls in stock market investment. By avoiding these common mistakes and seeking professional help, individuals can minimize their investment risk and achieve their financial goals. In this video, we have discussed the importance of financial education and provided an overview of stock market investment. We also explored understanding the stock market investment, research and analysis, and common mistakes and pitfalls. Financial education is critical to making informed investment decisions and achieving your financial goals. By understanding the stock market, conducting thorough research and analysis, and avoiding common mistakes and pitfalls, individuals can minimize their investment risk and achieve their financial goals. In conclusion, stock market investment can be a great way to grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. However, it's important to approach this type of investment with caution and seek professional help when needed. Remember to always do your research, diversify your portfolio, and have a long-term investment plan. We hope this video has provided you with valuable information and insights into stock market investment. Good luck and happy investing!